Think crypto mining is just nerds in basements printing fake money? Think again. Here's how crypto mining actually works and how OneMiners is changing the game. Crypto mining is the backbone of crypto like Bitcoin. Miners, they're computers solving complex puzzles. Every time they crack one, boom, new coins are released. Plus, they help verify transactions on the blockchain. So no, it's not magic, it's math. But here's the catch. Mining eats electricity like popcorn at a movie. Expensive, wasteful, and not always eco-friendly. That's why most people can't mine from home anymore. Enter OneMiners. We host your mining rigs in locations with ultra-cheap electricity. Dubai, the USA, Nigeria, and many more. And here's the game changer. We offer a full 7-year warranty on all miners hosted in our facilities. You don't lift a finger. Just use our app or website to start mining like a pro. Set it up, track your earnings, chill while your rig does the heavy lifting. While others are paying to charge their phone, you're earning crypto 24/7. Welcome to the future of passive income. Welcome to OneMiners. Want in? Head to OneMiners.com or download our app for Android and iOS. Don't just think about crypto, mine it.